friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. I just wanted to remind you, please be sure to check out our other collaborators. And just so you know, this is an open collaboration if you ever want to join in. Alright friends, I'm getting ready to start on a tassel for Tassel Tuesday, and I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I don't typically work with large ribbon, but this is the material I'm working with, and look at how pretty the ribbon looks with it. Both these shades of pink, I think actually it's different. Most people probably wouldn't add kind of a blush pink with a little brighter one, but I'm gonna do it because that's how I roll. So, and then, you know, when I look at this eyelash stuff, the colors actually work here too. So I am gonna throw, or we think I'm gonna throw some of this in there. Now this is a thrift store find, and I'm so happy about it. And so let's give this a go. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of these to length, and then we'll get started assembling. I don't know why this looks like it's a double. Let me see what's happening here. Okay, I'm gonna unroll this a little bit. It's like two pieces of it are doing this. I don't know. Okay, now it's separated. So this, I'm not sure what's happening here. Let me see. Okay, here we go. I think we're good. Anyway, look how fine it is. That's wild. So I'm gonna take this part of it. That's probably the beginning, and then this is the end of it. So okay, this is the parts that I will cut to size. Alright friends, I am not sure how this is going to go with these large ribbons in there, but I'm kind of excited about it because it's something that I haven't done before, and so, you know, I like to try new things. First thing I'm doing is just checking for evenness. That looks pretty good. This one pink one is a little bit long, but I don't really want to pull on it too much, so I'll just trim it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this. Now I've used two. I have a yarn here, like it's a cotton yarn. I actually got this at an estate sale. And then I've got this other little fluffy stuff that I got on clearance. So I'm using both of those to tie. And you know that we do our double knot here. And because this is big ribbons, we're gonna have to really make sure that we get it tight because they'll push out on it. Hopefully I did that tight enough. Let me see. I think we're okay. I'm gonna triple knot that just because I'm working with two of them here. I just want it to be good and tight. Okay, I'm gonna leave this part open for now, but you guys know how I close it up like that. I mean, I guess I can. I'm gonna leave it open just in case I have to change something. I don't wanna have to untie a bunch of different stuff. Okay, so I'm kind of liking this. This is pretty cool. The eyelash trim is really neat, and I like the look that it's giving to this little tassel. So that's pretty fun. All right, so let me decide which side is the front. Oh, I've decided it's gonna be this one. This one has a better look to it. Now again, when we do this part, I don't know how the big ribbons are gonna do, but let's just do it. Let's dive right in and find out. So I'm gonna do the same, I'm gonna use the same ribbon for crossing our puff top as I did for the tie. And I always do it twice the length of the tassel. Whoops, did I do more than twice? I did. Okay, now I'm just putting these together. There we go. I'm gonna give this a little shake out. I moved some ribbons around, so I just kind of want it to fall naturally. Matter of fact, before I lay it down, I'm going to lay this across the table. And then I can just put this on top of it. All right, so I'm thinking this is going to be the front. If all goes according to plan, which you guys know, it doesn't always go according to plan, but I think that's half of the fun. I can see in the back, the way it's laying, I'll have to pull those down, and I don't know how that's going to translate for our eyelash trim, so maybe I'm going to pull before we get it tight. I think that was probably a smart move. Pull that down a little further. All right, let's try tightening now. Okay, before I go any tighter, I'm just going to take a look around. Yeah, I think it's good. I think we're going to be okay. Okay, so the wide ribbon is buckling here a little bit, but I don't think that is cause for concern. I think it's part of the character of the tassel. All right, so I'm going to double knot this here, and I'm going to try to hold this into place. I need an assistant for this part on this particular tassel. All right, pulling tight. Okay, we got it. Awesome. Okay. So that's a triple knot on this, and I did that just because I'm working with two of these, and I just wanted to make sure that it was going to stay nice and tight. So as you can see, these are way longer, but let me shake this out real quick. And let's see, what do we have that's super long? I might not try to make this super even. I might keep it super shabby chic, as we call it. I was gonna call it shaggy chic, but that's definitely not what we usually call it. These are gonna bother me. These are from the tie, and they are a little too long, so let's get rid of that. Okay, it is definitely very shabby chic, and I really like it. Just gonna take a few of these. These are still a little bit too long. Okay, now I have an E here that I found. You know, some of you will remember that huge thrift store bead haul that I did. It was just fantastic. And then I organized the beads. And I actually had this E that came in one of those bags. So the person that I'm making this tassel for, their name starts with an E. So I've decided I'd like to add this to their tassel. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but I think I'm going to try to wrap the necklace part around and just leave the E right here. Friends, that worked out like a dream. I wrapped it around, you know, the one went one way 3 times, the other went the other way 3 times, and literally I was able to clasp it in the back. I'm going to zoom in on that for you. So it literally clasped on the back just like you would if you were putting the necklace on yourself. And here it is in the front. Now I'm going to go hang this up and take some pictures, and I will be right back with some photos of it. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.